Want to organize your conversations in Dola AI so they're easier to find later? Yeah. Renaming chats is the fastest way to do that. In this guide, I'll show you how to rename chats in Dola AI step by step. First, open Dola AI and go to your chat list. Make sure you're logged into the account where the conversation is saved. Scroll through your conversations and find the chat you want to rename. This could be a project, a reminder thread, or any conversation you want to organize. Next, open the chat options. On desktop, hover over the chat and click the three-dot menu. On mobile, tap and hold the conversation. In the menu, look for Rename, Edit Name, or Change Title. Tap or click it to edit the chat name. Now type the new name you want. Choose something clear and specific so you can quickly recognize the chat later. After typing, press Enter or tap Save. Your chat title should update instantly in the chat list. If the name doesn't change, refresh the app or reopen the chat. Make sure your internet connection is stable before trying again. And that's it. Open your chat list, choose a conversation, rename it, and save. A few seconds of organizing now can save you a lot of time later in Dola AI.